हेलो दोस्तों, हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड में आपका स्वागत है। हम बात करने वाले हैं एचएएस के एग्ज़ाम जो उसका जीएस सेक्शन पार्ट 2। कल हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लिए थे, बाकी के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस हम अभी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, तो जल्दी से अपने आंसर्स मैच कीजिए। बाकी एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी जो कर रहे हैं उनके लिए क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आपको पता लगेगा इन क्वेश्चन से लेवल क्या है तैयारी करने का। तो जल्दी से चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब और आइए शुरू करें। पहला है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वॉज नॉट एन आर्यस मैजिस्ट। तो आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, बाबा रामचंद्र। सेकेंड है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वॉज द लास्ट टू बी इस्टेब्लिश। तो आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, हिंदू महासभा। थर्ड, व्हेन वॉज द वर्नाक्यूलर प्रेस एक्ट पास। तो आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, 1878। फोर्थ, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रीजन्स डिड द पबना रिवोल्ट टेक प्लेस। सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, बंगाल। नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, इन विच ईयर वॉज फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ द चैम्बर ऑफ प्रिंसेस हेल्ड। सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, 1921। सिक्स क्वेश्चन, हु प्रिसाइडेड ओवर द commission appointed on famine policy in 1880. So answer will be option B, Richard Strachey. Next, question 7th, which one of the following attended the Congress of Oppressed Nationalities in Brussels in 1927. Option is D is correct, which is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question देखते हैं, what was Ulgulan? So it was option A, a Munda revolt. Next, ninth, which one of the following organizations was the last to be established? That was option B, Madras Mahajan Sabha, out of these four. Next, when did the British Prime Minister declare in the British Parliament excuse me, that transfer of power to responsible Indian hands will be done by June 1948? So it was done on February 20th, 1947. That is option B. 11th is, which one of the following works was written by Sahindranath Sanyal to attract the youth to revolutionary nationalism? So it was option D, Bandi Jeevan. Next, which one of the following is not a soil type of India? So it is obviously option D, Kois. Next is question 13th, Jalandhar Doab is closely related to which of the following? So it is option D, area between Beas and Satluj. 14th question, which of the following is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? So it is option B, on Arma Konda. Next, Khetri has rich deposits of, option C, copper. 16th, 49th parallel is associated with, it is option B, Canada and US. Next, Lena river of Russia empties in, so its answer is option A, Laptev Sea. 18th is, Barren Falls are associated with which structural division of Australia? So they are associated with option A, the Eastern Highlands. Next, Winnipeg in Canada is famous for, it is famous for option B, softwood collection. 20th is, which among the following variables factors are not used in constructing Human Development Index of India? So it is option C, morbidity. Let's move on to 21st question. Disguised unemployment means, its right answer is option A, marginal productivity of labor is 0. Next, 22nd, Human Development Index does not use which parameter while measuring gender inequality? So it will be option A, sex ratio. Next, 23rd, Sankalp is launched to provide, option D is correct, market relevant training to youths. Next, 24th, golden rule of official policy in India is excuse me, option B is correct, borrowing only for public investment. 25th, which of the following is an example of management performance indicator? So option A is correct, raw material used per unit of product. Let's move on to the 26th question. इनमें से कौन सा कॉर्पोरेट सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी का what is this अध्याय है? I think so it is option D, परोपकारी. 27th, NGOs are recognized as blank to focus and fix the problems present in the development process. So its answer is option C, magic bullet. 28th is, which of the following is primary goal of sustainable development? So it's option D is correct, moderating emissions and wastes. Next, 29th, ego mark label of India is, so it is an earthen pot, option B will be correct. 30th, mass extinction of species do not occur due to which of the following factors? So option D will be correct. It is predation, shikar, that which is in Hindi. 31st is a 40-watt electric bulb is used 6 hours every day. The number of electric units it consumes in 30 days are. So its answer which is right is option D, 7.2. Next, in nuclear fission of uranium-235 with a slow neutron bombardment produces energy approximately. So it will be option C, 200 MeV. Next is 33rd question. The dental alloy used for teeth filling. Wait a minute. Okay, so 33rd question, the dental alloy used for teeth filling contains, so option A will be correct, silver, mercury, tin, copper and zinc. 34th, which one of the following substances is not responsible for water hardness? It will be option C, calcium nitrate. 35th is the different plant parts in which leucoplast presents are, so option A will be correct, roots and underground stem. 36th, Pteridophyta do not have, so they do not have flowers, option D. 37th, in which group of animals column is filled with blood? So option B will be correct, Arthropoda. Okay, the PDF file will be available with you. You can check the description for the PDF file. Next, lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramping among athletes. The reason for this is option B will be correct, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. Okay, next question, 40th, which wait a minute, yes, 40th okay, I left one question, I think it is 39th, physiographically Palampur, Dharamshala and Jogindernagar in Himachal Pradesh are situated in which of the following zone? So its answer which is correct is option A, humid subtropical. There is actually a little doubt between option A and D, but according to me option A is correct. Some people are saying D, but I think option A will be correct. But you still have to wait for the official answer key to get the right answer. 40th is, which of the following was not a princely state of Thakurai which was clubbed to form the Mahasu district in 1948? So it will be, I'm confused between two options, option B and D. According to me D will be correct, but you can still have a look at the official answer key to get the exact option right. Next, 41st, Zahor is a Tibetan name of which of the following district of Himachal Pradesh? So it will be option B, Mandi. Next, 42nd, which snow clad peak of Himachal Pradesh is shaped somewhat like Matterhorn in Switzerland? So it will be option A, Gefang. Next, 43rd, which of the following combination is not correct? So it will be answer A. Again there is a little confusion between A and D. I don't know, but I guess according to me it will be option A, Pangwal and Dogri. Still you must consult the official key for the final answer. Next question, 44th, I didn't read it out. So match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. So you can just have a look at both the lists and the answer will be option B. The correct sequence will be E, C, B and A. Next, 45th, Lodi has been declared as state level festival and first Lodi festival was celebrated on 13th January 2010 at which of the following place? So it will be B, Paragpur. Next, 46th, which of the following temple is believed to be constructed by two merchants, Ahuka and Manyuka? So it is obviously option A, Vaishnath temple. Next, 47th, the largest collection of Kangyur and Tangyur is placed in the library of which of the following Gompa? So it is option B, Kadarank Gompa. Next, 48th, which of the following statement is not correct? I am only telling you the right answers. It is option A, the Arki school of painting was founded by Raja Jagat Singh. Next, 49th, जो आयुर्वेदिक औषधि प्रणाली की संबंधित थी. I didn't read out the right question. Wait a minute. 49th question is in which of the following valley Himachal Pradesh Language, Art and Culture Academy founded 600 years ago manuscript that deals with the Ayurvedic system of medicine? So it will be option D, Spiti Valley. Next, 50th, which of the following combination is not correct? So I do not know the answer. If you know, kindly tell me in the comment box. Next, the only coin special to Chamba, 5 of which makes an Anna, is the option C, Chakli. 52nd, who amongst the following was first to examine the archaeological remains in Chamba and Bharmor? It will be option C, General Kahingam. Next, 53rd, what is the script of earliest rock inscription found in Patiyar and Khaniara? So it is option B, Kharuti. Next, Khroshti. Next, 54th, what is the name of an opera festival which is annually held by the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts TIPA at McLeodganj and was an annual feature in Lhasa prior to 1959? So it is option B, Shoton. Next, 55th, which of the following valley is without exception the most rugged glen of Kinnaur district? So it is option B, Baspa Valley. Next, 56th is Jeshtang and Kanishtang are the names given to which of the following? So it is obviously option D, upper house and the lower house of the Milana district, Milana village, which is the oldest democracy of the world. Now 57th is which of the following country was relegated to second position by Lahore Spiti? So it will be in potato production. So it is obviously option C, Netherlands. 58th is the first mention of which of the following place came in 1817 when the diary of the Scottish officer brothers. So it is option A, Shimla. 59th is climate change vulnerability assessment is being undertaken for which of the following river basin covering 9,258 villages of 4 districts with more than 1200 panchayats? So its right answer is option B, Satluj. 60th is what is the name of the web-based software implemented by the Department of Transport of Himachal Pradesh for issuing driving license? So it is option A, Sarthi. And the last one, name of the superintendent of Botanical Garden who set up Delhi Tea Estate in 1852? Its answer is Dr. Jameson. So next, the other questions from 62 to 100, they are present in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.